shoot was myself.
Pravish Jogi.
And the bigger news team.
One of the greatest venues for entertainment in the ancient world wasn't the Colosseum, wasn't for gladiators. The number one venue in the ancient world, in ancient Rome, was here in the Circus Maximus, which was used for chariot racing as a principal form of entertainment. So we have a track that's about 80 meters wide, and then it's surrounded for the entire length of over 500 meters seating that in the imperial period is made of stone, brick, and all faced in marble. And it is a grand spectacle, not just for chariot racing. Sometimes the charioteers are going around in chariots pulled by 2 horses, or 4, or 6, 8, even 10 horse chariots. But the other great event, the other great spectacle that takes place here is hunts. And you have animals brought from all over the ancient world, rhinoceroses and lions and tigers, deer, boar, ostriches. It's a grand spectacle and is taking place right here in the Circus Maximus.
L'imponente struttura del Circo Massimo caratterizza tutt'oggi la topografia della città di Roma. Edificato ai tempi di Tarquinio Prisco, ha in seguito avuto moltissimi mutamenti e la ricostruzione che abbiamo realizzato è relativa a una particolare fase, quella in cui il circo nel 64 d.C. venne distrutto dall'incendio di epoca neroniana. Il circo in questo periodo non presentava ancora l'arco nel centro della curva che fu costruito all'epoca di Tito. Il circo nella sua struttura è possibile ricostruire grazie a molteplici raffigurazioni che sono giunte fino a noi di bassorilievi, ma in particolare di un bellissimo mosaico presente nella villa di Piazza Armerina, dove ben si vede la struttura della spina, gli obelisco e le carrozze che corrono.
Imagine if you have about 200,000 people here, that's 1 out of 5 Romans in the city of Rome, when Rome was a city of 1 million in the imperial period. It was a grand spectacle, and you were here cheering on your favorite charioteer. You had an action figure, you had your favorite color that you're cheering for, red or green, and you had the concession stands, you had the bathrooms, you had bars, all kinds of accommodations for those people that are here watching this great venue, watching this great spectacle. And in the end, this was not just incredible to watch, but it was incredible to hear. Imagine the roar of 200,000 people. And across the way, the emperor's in his box. He's cheering too.
Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Join our community and be part of the journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.